How to change screen size on Facebook. First thing you have to do in order to change the screen size is to open up your Facebook app. So let me just show you guys how it looks here. So this is my current screen size on Facebook. So as you can see, everything seems quite normal. Now, if I just go ahead and go back to my settings and open up my phone settings, and then from here, what you need to do is head over to display and then change the text size. Click on font size and style and then increase the font size like this. So doing this will also change the screen size on Facebook. Everything will seem bigger. So let's just go back to our Facebook. So everything here looks bigger, and if I just open Facebook now, as you can see, the screen size has changed significantly. So here you could just see all of the fonts and the size has been bigger. So that's how you change the screen size on Facebook. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. I'll see you on the next one.